Leibak asina ningtamba fangkiba asi tarai-taraina fangkiba nate. Masidi ipa-ipusingna kathokibasing adugi khudolni haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokre. Leibak asigi leimaida Indian National Army na ahanba oina Moirangda India gi machu ahumgi firal chingkhatkiba numit adugi Marifumathoi suba chahigi thauramda wafam asi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokhibani. Department of Art and Culture na sinduna Moirangda leiba INA Martyrs Memorial Complex ta pangthokiba thauram atuda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana hai kumja lising amaga chamapan nifu marigi April 13 da India gi leimaida ihan hanboina leibak asigi machu ahum gi firal adu INA gi Colonel Saukat Ali Malik na chingkhatkibani. Firal chingkhatpa adu hakthengna thengna hoba Moirangi miyamda Maraibak maramdam nungsibagi mami munaidana haktuna leihauki. Matam aduda Manipur gi miyam gi mateng yaudana INA na pangthoklamliba thabaksing adu oithoktabani. Moirang asi lamdam asigi cultural capital ni haibada haiman bathokloi. Mafam asida lairiba INA museum da lairiba artifacts sing asi aduki matek magungai. Mafam asida anoba artifact kaya hapchinduna yengba lakpa miyam gi pukneng pelhanbada natana ngasigi mirolda matam aduda thokiba thongdo wathok sing adu mitmangda ubagum phauhanba ngamliba si singthaningai ni ngasi lamdam asida thengnariba kudongchadaba kaya si kokhanduna tangdu laitaba amadi nungai yaifaba Manipur ama ohenaba aikoi punna hotnaminasi hainasu mahangna makatana phongdokhi.
Today we honor not only INA's strategic advance but also the support and courage of people of Manipur who stood witness and often lent assistance to these brave soldiers during their campaign. Though the hold over Moirang was short-lived, its legacy has endured across generations. I am proud that Manipur has not only made history but has also preserved it with honor. I just went around the INA War Museum here in Moirang. It was inaugurated way back in 1969 by the then Prime Minister. And it's the repository of some rare photographs, letters and personal effects of INA soldiers. And today we looked at a temporary gallery also where some new artifacts and new possessions are being brought in this museum. It's a living monument of memory, a place where visitors can connect with voices of the past. Our very own Manipur State Archives, in collaboration with INA Museum and Netaji Research Bureau, continues to document, conserve and share these rich legacies for future generations.
Thawramadugi sarugama oina Nambol Maibam Lord Pachingda leiba India Peace Memorial dagi bike rally ama lamthaduna Moirangi INA Martyrs Complex phauba lakhi. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana Moirang Kanglada India gi firal chingkhatki amadi Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki mitamda haikat laikat tamduna ikai khumnabasu utkhi. Tungda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana INA War Museum da sangduna yengki. Thawramadugi sarugama oina INA War Museum kam library gi official website amasu Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana launch tawki. Thawram aduda Moirang ACG MLA Thongam Santi Akhil Bharatiya Purba Sainik Seva Parishad ki NE Zonal President Retired Lieutenant General Konsam Himalaya ABP SSP Punjab Pran ke President Retired Major General JS Nanda amadi Art and Culture ki Commissioner M Joysu Saryaki.